All this progress under Vision 2030 has been enabled through significant investment in the IT infrastructure backbone, artificial intelligence and data analysis, and the introduction of digital services. This progress served us very well as we confronted COVID-19 and transferred government services seamlessly from physical to virtual operation and provided precise and frequent data to make the right decisions at the right time for the right people and organizations. The IMF fully recognized this in their recent Article 4 report, where they highlighted Saudi reform momentum, which enabled the government to respond quickly and decisively to the crisis and cushion the impact of the pandemic on the private sector. This also fed through to an uplift of the IMF growth projection for Saudi Arabia, especially in the non-oil GDP growth. Additionally, Fitch has recently upgraded Saudi credit rating outlook as a result of all these reforms. Saudi Arabia has recovered well from the pandemic, and the financial sector has proved the most robust sector in terms of growth, fueled by the changes we are discussing today, with finance, insurance, real estate, and business services growing at 5% in Q1 21 versus Q1 2020, representing 11.1% of the total GDP in Q1 21 compared to 10.3% in Q1 2020.